Okay, this is a super fun case. It's got so much bling and detail to it. Along the edges is diamonds all the way around. So that's really pretty. I love the ombre of the blue to the purple. That's really good looking. And then the kickstand finger hold also has bling around it. Obviously you have all the glitter on the inside and the water, so it's moving around and always flashing light that way. And then the lanyard it came with is really cool. It's got bling on here, and then the whole inside is like little gems, and so it sparkles in every movement it makes. Super easy to hook on. You're just gonna pinch these sides. You're gonna go from one of the outside loops on this corner right here, go all the way through, and then you're gonna pinch it and come back up through the other one. Then you're gonna take the top of the cord and put it through the inside of this cord. So we're gonna just thread the needle, pull it all the way through, and then it will tighten, and now you got yourself a nice lanyard. So you can just hang it around your neck. So cute, so blingy, I love it. This one's for the iPhone 17 Pro, so let's try it out. That looks so good. That is such fun colors. Again, the bling is super fun all the way around. Looks great on the phone. Then you can use this finger hold when you're just holding it with one hand to give you a better grip. That's actually really comfortable and works really well to be able to hold the phone. Or you can use it as a kickstand, so we can go horizontally like that, or and vertically. That's a nice angle at that. So yeah, it's got everything you want. It's got finger hold, kickstands, and a lanyard, and a whole lot of bling. That is such a good looking and entertaining phone case. I really like that a lot. That is so pretty.